Ever scrolled through endless payment options at checkout, then landed on the mysterious FavePay? You're not alone. FavePay's popping up everywhere, but is it truly an online payment system, or is it stuck in the brick-and-mortar world? Buckle up, because we're diving deep to answer, is FavePay considered online? Let's face it, the online shopping scene is booming. We're all about that instant gratification, that click and deliver magic. But sometimes, you crave that physical store experience, browsing the aisles, kicking the tires, metaphorically, of course. FavePay seems to bridge that gap, but where exactly does it land? FavePay, friend or foe to the online shopper? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. FavePay shines in the physical world, allowing you to scan a QR code at checkout and pay through your phone. But wait, there's more. FavePay is actually making a sneaky play for the online realm. Here's the twist. FavePay Online, this nifty feature lets merchants offer FavePay as a payment option on their websites. Here's how it works. You see FavePay at checkout, but instead of a QR code, you get redirected to the FavePay app to confirm your purchase. It's a seamless blend of online shopping and the FavePay experience you know. Hold on, isn't that kind of like online payment anyway? You got a point. While the confirmation happens within the app, initiating the purchase and selecting FavePay occur entirely online. So, in that sense, FavePay can be considered an online payment method, but with a unique twist that leverages their established app. The perks of FavePay Online, not just convenience. FavePay goes beyond just another payment option. Here's why you might consider using it online. Cashback cha-ching. FavePay is known for its cashback rewards. Using FavePay Online can still earn you cashback you can use on future purchases, both online and in-store. FavePay Later, feeling the pinch? FavePay Later lets you split your online purchases into manageable installments. It's a buy now pay later option baked right into FavePay. Boosting business. For merchants, FavePay Online brings a whole new audience. They can attract customers who love the convenience and rewards FavePay offers. So, is FavePay truly online? It's complicated. FavePay isn't your typical online payment method. It bridges the gap between online shopping and the in-store experience you know from the app. It offers convenience, rewards, and potential financing options. Whether you consider it purely online or a hybrid system, one thing's for sure, FavePay is making its mark in the digital payment landscape. FavePay Online, a feature on the rise. While FavePay Online might not be the first thing that pops into your mind when you think online payments, it's definitely a player to watch. With its unique app-based confirmation and focus on rewards and financing, FavePay Online could become a go-to option for savvy online shoppers. The future of FavePay, online domination or brick-and-mortar BFF. Only time will tell how FavePay carves its path. Will it become a major online player, or will it remain a champion of the physical shopping experience? One thing's for sure, FavePay's innovation is keeping things interesting in the world of payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.